Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best scroll saw blade that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Olsen Saw PG49802 Precision Ground Scroll Saw Blade. This Olsen Saw PG49802 wins our first position because of its impressive design that makes cutting easy and professional. The blade comes with a double reverse teeth design, which helps to make your work professional and accurate, especially when cutting hard materials. One of the main advantages of the Olsen Saw PG49802 blades is that they are constructed with carbon steel that makes them tough for ripping any type of hardwood. The hardened design also makes the blades long-lasting. We also like their high level of maneuverability. Since the blades are pinless, they are easy to mount on any scroll saw. So, you will not incur significant downtime when working on different projects. You will also like the fact that your order will come with no less than 18 blades, which have different cutting capacities ranging from 1/2 inch to 3/16 inch. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch SS520 5-inch x20 TPI pin-end scroll saw blade. The SS520 is another set of high-quality and long-lasting scroll saw blades designed by Bosch after years of research. They are made with tough steel that makes them strong and tough for cutting even the toughest materials. True to the manufacturer's word, the blade cuts tough hardwood pieces easily. When you place an order, you get 4 blades of identical scroll saw blades. Although this pack contains fewer blades compared to others in this list that have up to 72 pieces, they are hardened for extra durability. Besides, they are precision sharpened so that you can enjoy consistent cutting on all your materials. One unique advantage that makes these blades to stand out from others is that you can also use them to cut other materials apart from wood. We found this very useful because you do not need to buy additional blades if your furniture has some metallic or plastic parts. It is a sort of one blade cut all type of blade. At number 3, we have the SKIL 80182 plain end scroll saw blade set. Designed with premium grade steel, this SKIL 80182 is a set of high-rated blades, which allows you to cut a wide range of materials. The blades have become very popular with professional woodworkers because they also work well with most scroll saws. All the blades in this pack are 5 inches long, which means they provide ample room for you to cut a wide range of materials with varying thickness. When we tested the blades, they worked well with most workpieces, especially when making straight cuts. These blades also offer very high value for money, because the pack has a total of 36 blades with different teeth per inch. TPI, 12 with 28 TPI, 12 with 11.5 TPI and 12 with 11.5 TPI. It implies that you can use them over a long time. So, you are sure of completing your projects without the risk of running out of blades. At number 2, we have the Olsen Saw FR49501 pin-end scroll saw blade. If you are a beginner in carpentry and looking for scroll saw blades that are highly maneuverable, one of the outstanding options out there is this Olsen Saw FR49501. They have the regular skip tooth type, which makes them highly maneuverable because you can cut in any direction. Most carpenters who have used these blades give positive feedback because they are able to work on a wide range of materials. The 18 blades in the pack have different teeth configurations, including 10 TPI, 15 TPI, and 18.5 TPI. This implies that you can use them for cutting both tough and soft materials, including plastic. We also like the varying cutting capacities of the Olsen Saw FR49501 blades, which range from 3/32 inch to 1 inch. This is enough for the most intricate cutting tasks in carpentry workshops. And finally at number 1, we have the Flying Dutchman Ultra Reverse. Mention the name Flying Dutchman and experienced woodworkers will tell you, it is simply the best. Their ultra-reverse scroll blades have won praise globally for their unique design, strength and efficiency, which makes them very outstanding in ripping through thick wood workpieces. The most conspicuous thing about these blades is their top-quality design that makes cutting wood, even the thick blocks, easy and fast. Every third tooth on the blade is reversed so that your workpiece will not splinter on the underside. Indeed, most of the cuts we made with the blade did not require further sanding. Another notable thing about the blades is that they are milled for extra sharpness and durability. Designed using hardened steel alloy, we found that the blades maintain their sharpness for longer compared to standard blades. Therefore, you will not need to buy more blades anytime soon because the kit comes with a total of 72 blades.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.